I know you've seen this asymmetric top, you loved it. I did too. So let us learn it together. Quickly bring out your basic bodice pattern. If you don't have it, you haven't learned it, we have a video just for that. It is detailed. You can watch it so you know how we got this far. So what I'm doing on this particular bodice is I'm drawing out a single dart. It is a single dart bodies, which is the side dart. I'm just adding the side dart. This side dart, I'm going to transfer it to the waistline. It is one of the ways we manipulate our dart. You can take it to whichever side that you want. On this particular project, I only wanted just that one dart so that I don't have excess, because the fabric is a little bit stretchy, so I don't need much dart on the fabric. So this is what I did. I'm cutting it out. After you are done with your basic bodies like this, you just cut it out, and the next thing is we're going to be transferring the side dart to the waist. So just watch me as I do it. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe for more exciting easy DIY. I promise you we do easy here. So I'm just closing that dart. I used 1 inch for the side dart, so I'm just closing it. You see, when you close it, it gets transferred to the waistline. It's really easy to do. I know some people don't really want to learn a pattern because it might make you feel it may seem difficult, but believe me, it is quite easy. So now what I'm doing, I'm marking out the length of my asymmetry, where I want the asymmetry, the point I want the asymmetry to reach. I measure 3 inches. There are some that are just 1 inch, some 2 inches, so it's as much as you like. So if measuring 3 inches, it means this side will be 4 inches higher than the other side. So it is as you like I always say on this channel, be creative with your design. Copy and paste is not really fun. If you are creative, you make your mistakes and you correct your errors. That's what DIYs are about. So this is what I did. I'm just adjusting that chest line so that we don't have bulkiness. I use 1/4 of an inch on both sides, and I just cut it out. So having done that, I'm still going to close this 1/4 of an inch that I took. I'm still going to transfer it to the waistline. The reason for closing this, making adjustment on that chest area, is so that you don't have opening. After cutting out this and that other top part of it, you are going to have some freeness on that chest area. So cutting out and transferring that little piece to the waistline will make your chest line more fitting. I hope you understand. It will make it more fitting. It's really, really important. Even when you are making breast, you have to make that adjustment. If not, you have your chest opened unnecessarily. So this is what we have. We are practically done with the front bodies. From these front bodies, you can also cut out the facing for it. So the next thing is we're cutting out the back bodies. The back bodies, I'm taking the length, I'm using this length of the armhole. From the armhole to the waistline is the length of the back bodies that I'm using. With that, it's just easy. It was longer because of the adjustment of 1 inch, 1 inch as a result of the dart. It has now become shorter by 1 inch, so you have to make that adjustment. So that's what we are doing. If you want to add that, also add that at the back. When you are taking your measurement, if you have your waistline at 7, always add that measurement 1 inch then before you add your allowance. So it's quite easy. Here I'm just making a slight slant of 1 inch so that back will just have a sweet fine curve at the back. So this is it. We're done with the pattern for the top. You see, Was it not easy? It was really easy. It was quite easy. As a matter of fact, it was not just easy, it was fun. Anytime I'm doing this dart manipulation, it's always fun for me. So this is it. I've cut out, place your pattern on your fabric and cut it out, and I also cut out my facing. I added facing to this project so that I won't be having seam line on the outside of this fabric. So this is what I did. Just had the facing, I placed the facing on the fabric, on the front side of the fabric, front facing front, and I just pinned it at that side. So remember, it has a little tiny straps. So for some project, it's only just one strap they have, but for this my project, I'm adding two straps. I'm adding strap at that pointy edge, that asymmetric edge, and I'm adding strap at the other side. So as you watch, you just know. So if you're sewing, you just sew the facing, and for the back, if you also have fabric enough, also sew facing, sew it down, join the side, add your zipper, and you are good to go. It is really that easy. Please, if you haven't subscribe, engage, ask questions. If you have any questions, ask us. If you have any DIY you want us to do. If you enjoyed this video and you like the band our dummy is wearing, there's a video, click on it. Bye.